call it the Safe Water Lab, and we focus on health-related water microbiology. With recreational water quality, I mean, a lot of the tourism industry in California is a big driver of the economy here. So when there's pollution to oceans, rivers, water bodies that people use for recreation, it creates a really bad impact for the local economy. But it's not saturated here, right?
We're contacting with water body every day. Like if you go to the beach, you want to know that if the beach is clean or not. So this study basically can help you to find where the pollution is coming from.
Being able to work in a lab as an undergraduate gives me that hands-on experience to learn things. It's all clicking. I finally the hands-on experiment is working on and coming together with like what I'm learning in class, and it's like such an amazing moment where it's like you learn it and then you do it, but I did it and now I'm learning about it, so it's a better process, I think.
Right now, our lab is involved in a variety of work, including field projects and laboratory scale experiments. And the project we have right now with the State Water Board is a field project. We have a collaboration set up with them where they collect the samples and they bring them to our lab. So for that project, we're just doing the lab work.
Recently, we've been focusing on the ratio of the HF183, which is a gut bacterium in your gut, and PMMOV, which is a virus that infects plants, and both can go through your feces and can be found in water bodies if the water body is infected by fecal pollution.
Got 2 liters of our sample. It went from 100 millimeters and it went down to the little paper, and then it went down to 2 drops. And I was like, I didn't know that. I thought like everything was gonna be in big batches, but it's like, it's microscopic.
So here at SDSU, we have lots of opportunities for undergraduate students to get involved in the lab. One goal I have is really just to show undergraduate students what can come out of exposure to a research environment, to show the students that there's many different options they can pursue in their career.